In the 21st century shelf wars, brand managers are under intense pressure to get ideas into store fast. Creating fresh, eye-catching packaging is tougher than ever before. Retail store packaging is the most sophisticated and complex design discipline. IC3D Suite is an extremely powerful end-to-end packaging design, visualization and ideation software. What you're about to see throws out all the rules of how packaging ideas are created, communicated, tested and produced. The cost savings are enormous. Never before has something as challenging as packaging design been so simple. In what follows, we haven't cut anything out. This is exactly as you would use IC3D Suite, real-time ideation. Everything has been designed to make the software very easy to use. You just want to drive, you don't want to tune the engine. Here we'll create a spirits bottle. Either get one from the extensive library within the software, adjust it, or make one, or import one from any popular 3D package. Simple. Now for some embossed glass. Instantly over to Illustrator. And simply grab the label. And it's straight on the bottle. The label is positioned. See how it follows the contour of the glass using Creative Edge Software's patented Smart Mesh. And now for the back label. The links into Adobe Illustrator provide truly seamless integration of artwork to and from IC3D Suite. Add the contents, change the liquid color and fill to the desired level. So let's have a look. But how will it look in store? The bottle is now placed on the shelf and then set with other brands to see how it stacks up against the competition. In less than a minute, we've put a brand new bottle design on a shelf with other drinks lines. A variety of accurate lighting effects can be applied using environment or image-based lighting. Proofing options are endless, with colour-accurate or environment-lit versions available for approval. Getting brand colours on packaging accurately is always the toughest pre-flight call. Within IC3D Suite, colour calibration flows right the way through from design to production. Proofing now becomes a formality. IC3D Suite compresses days' work into literally seconds. From idea to store, the cost benefits are crystal clear. So let's change a spot colour in real time. But what if it were foil? Gold? No problem. Holographic foil? Easy. Even lenticular effects can be accurately visualised. How about cutter profiles? Here's an example. Now see it in 3D, folded and glued. You can adjust the size and the material at will. Add the artwork. And onto the shelf. Or onto the palette. Here, image-based lighting is used to make the palette look realistic in the warehouse. And you can export movies of how cutter profiles and templates become the finished item. Real-time visualization means the moment of creation is never lost, and at last there's time to experiment and build full suites of approval options for your clients. There's a comprehensive gallery of bottles, cans, cartons, bags, in fact pretty much anything you're likely to encounter in store, all fully adjustable. And if the library doesn't quite have the object you need, just import any popular 3D file format. Textures and materials, glass, metal, plastic, foil, anything you need. And you can simply import any specialist textures and adjust materials to suit. Here's a tough challenge to visualize conventionally: flexible packaging, and particularly foil bags. From IC3D Suite's library, simply select a bag. You can dial in the material and set layout dimensions. Then add seals, tear notches, peg holes and zippers. You can even set how full and heavy you'd like the bag to appear. Just pop into Illustrator and import the artwork directly onto the pillow bag. You can specify the areas where, for example, the bag's foil shows through. Here's a shrink-wrapped chicken. Again, IC3D Suite's Smart Mesh capabilities mean the label can be floated accurately over the surface. Another example is this washing liquid bottle. The packaging applications are endless. This point-of-purchase display combines the individual toothpaste tubes with the display unit. Bags, cartons, packets, in fact, any packaging challenge you face is ready to be solved at your fingertips. The software delivers a far greater return on packaging investment. Here, designers and the client brand team interact with packaging options, testing ideas in real time right through into store. Designs can be easily adjusted for global territories and shared interactively with regional offices online. The quality of packaging design increases, which means, of course, better shelf presence and improved product sales. IC3D Suite makes complete financial sense. The software drives costs right down in all areas. Often, users find that because visualization is so fast, the software not only pays for itself on the first project, it ramps margins right up whilst giving clients much more design choice. Clients love the end-to-end control of brand design management. Consistent colour matching across substrates, runs, locations and printing technologies means lower production costs and fewer costly mistakes. And IC3D Suite fits seamlessly with your production workflows, managing artwork and 3D data right through to proofing, press and 3D printing systems. And stronger shelf differentiation through packaging design increases the sales of the end product. IC3D Suite is your complete packaging visualization system, an ideation one-stop shop, underpinned with the highest dimensional accuracy and top-flight colour control. Days and weeks of client approvals are compressed into literally just minutes. IC3D Suite, packaging ideas to store and beyond fast.